blur spot. Wait a minute. I think it's time to go see some patients. Let's get out of here. Hey, so what patients do we have today?
I think, oh yeah, we have Jones Elizabeth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Exam 1?
Yeah. That's such a weird name.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Okay. Who's the dumbest patient?
Oh, now all of a sudden I'm Demosis?
Ma'am, I don't know who Jasmine is, or Jamosis, or Jelsis. Yeah. So,
Who's Jasmine? Now all of a sudden you cheating on me?
ma'am, I don't know who you are, but you came here for a reason. I'm trying to figure that out. Hi, nurse. Please,
Who's this?
check out the
Is this Jasmine?
No, this is my nurse. Gosh. Here, can you go with the drugs to help with the diabetes people?
Okay, I ain't got no diabetes.
Ma'am, that is not what I'm saying, but, they can help with your, heart rate. But, you came here for a reason. I'm trying to figure that is. I figured out. See, you're so retarded, you made me forget my words, sis. So, please tell me why you're here.
Words is?
Just tell me why you're here.
First of all, look, okay, everyone calm down. Calm down. I'm not the one being out loud here, okay? I'm the mean one here. Alright. Okay.
I'm listening. Please go.
Okay. So, listen right here. Just
Sorry, I got a little cough.
no one cares about your call. Alright.
Nurse, that's not
Just
funny.
the other day, I was sitting on my couch, right? Watching some TVs. I was hungry. So I go to my fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes.
Right? You following?
Yes, I'm following. Please
Okay.
go. Nurse,
So,
nurse, I'm trying to figure
They
this out.
nothing
Please go
in the
phone
fridge.
help with the medicine things.
there nothing in the fridge.
Okay.
Now I check the pantry. There nothing in the pantry. Now,
okay.
I check the cabinet where I keep all my snacks at.
Yes.
There nothing in that
Wait,
cabinet.
ma'am. You're pretty much describing a robbery. So, why did you come to the doctor's office?
Well, because my dad died.
So you're obviously retarded. So I'm gonna have to tell you to
My
lay on the
dad
bed, and I'm
died.
gonna try to figure you out. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with you. So please lay on the bed. So go. Let's go. Lay on the bed. Okay. So
I'm not American.
Okay. Well, I ran through the test of your blood pressure.
Listen.
Okay, please go put it. Yeah, so I want to test through your blood pressure, and it turns out you're HIV positive. So
What the heck
here
does
that
that
means
mean?
you
I'm
kind
gonna
of.
My dad's gonna die?
Listen, I used to work here. I work here. I used to know I do know what HIV means, but you're gonna have to lay down for this.
Yeah.
Nurse, please leave the room. This is gonna be a lot of yelling.
I don't want to lay down then.
Please. Oh yeah, finally got a girlfriend, ready some pips, some hoes, boats and hoes, boats and hoes. Gotta get some of my boats and hoes. Get me to call her.